this is Nishu Blender. In this video you could learn how to make a emission shader object. See this video till end. For making a good looking emission shader to our object, press X to delete this default cube and Shift A in mesh, add a plane, S to scale it and press 8 to increase the size. Now press tab to go to edit mode and right click here, click on subdivide and here increase the number of cuts to 40 and one more time subdivide it. Now hold on shift and select any point and now select this icon and here select random. Now press G and Z and scroll the wheel now select the upper point and give a random shape. Now press tab to go to object mode and add modifier. Add a mirror modifier. Now go to add modifier again and add a array modifier. Now one more time go to add modifier, add a wireframe modifier. Here deselect the replace origin, decrease the thickness and increase the material offset to 2. Now go to material property and press new and here give a black color. Now press plus and new your emission and give a color you want. I am giving a green color. Now press tab to go to edit mode and you hold on shift and select any point here. And G and Z little bit up. Now press tab to go to edit mode. Here are our nice looking mountains. And now here array modifier, increase the count and now shift A in mesh, add a UV stroke, right click and shade smooth. S to scale it S to scale it. It's perfect. Now go to material property, press new and your emission increase the strength and give a orange color and your bloom. Increase the intensity and radius Now select this mount plane and decrease the roughness. And increase the transmission. Now here select this green material so shiny mountain plane is ready. Now your shift A in empty, add a plane axis and S to scale it. Now select this camera and X to delete it. Now shift A, add a camera. Press 0 to camera view. And you change the location of it. Little bit up. Rotate it in x-axis. Now hold on shift and select the empty and control P your object. Now when you move this empty, the camera will also move. Now here and to 120. Here select this and go to 120, 122 and increase the X location and here select it. Now play it. You can see a keyframe is ready. Please guys subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you for watching.